Honorable Vice Mayor Victor Bonghanoy, Monsignor Jonathan Pacuda, esteemed guests, fellow movers behind McDonald's Ubay branch, and ladies and gentlemen, today marks a momentous occasion as we officially kick off the construction of the McDonald's Ubay branch. As the head of the franchising unit, I am absolutely thrilled and overjoyed to witness this significant milestone. This endeavor not only marks a new chapter for our corporation, but also paved the way for Ubay to step onto the international stage. McDonald's is a globally famous organization at the forefront of the fast food industry. And by bringing its presence to Ubay, we are propelling this flourishing town into the international arena. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to the dynamic and hardworking Mayor Constant Reyes and the entire local government unit of Ubay for entrusting us with a tremendous opportunity. We are truly honored to be part of this community and committed to contributing positively to its growth and prosperity. Lastly, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to the wonderful people of Ubay for opening your arms to us. Together, let us embrace and live by our slogan, Love Kuto. Your warm welcome truly motivates us to work tirelessly to bring the best of McDonald's and its values to this great town. Thank you everyone for your tireless support and confidence. Here's to bright and thriving future for Ubay. Thank you.
Daghang kay salamat. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've just given you our president of the Q Foods Corporation. And you're gonna ask, what's Q Foods Corporation? That will be, or that is the franchisee of McDonald's Ubay. We also franchise the McDonald's in J.A. Clorin branch in Tagbilaran City. And with that, we invited the manager, Bismarck Katubig. Where are you? Please stand to be acknowledged. He's the manager right now of J.A. Clorin. And your manager here in Ubay will be Abby Castro, atong hatagas masipang pata. And then maybe a couple of months from now, we will be hiring local people to be crew members. We will be needing about 80 strong employees. Kani ang trabaho among yata sa lungsod sa Ubay, mga kaigsunan. So, katuod mga kamao, anad ng inyong mga pagumanggo diha, kadunga lang na namo po. We're gonna conduct the hiring. In this juncture, my dear friends, I feel honored and privileged